Hello, this is One Art Team. Let me introduce you our product. So, Artist is a business analyst and marketeer, and we want to make Artist create, and our team will make it shine bright. So, to survive in modern days, artists have to do a lot of stuff. They need to use Behance, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Etsy to be somehow successful. We want to use the experience of music label and to gather it all in one place for you to have cool creators everywhere near you in one place. How it works? We did first prototype during this hackathon based on mockups we had before. Also, what it contains: list of artists to cooperate and search. Creator is a story for us, so we make a cool design of every page for every artist where you can read, explore, and cooperate with these people. Also, we have newsfeed to check out our news and interviews with these people. And we have a marketplace with goods of our project and our artists from one region. So our team have different experience of collaboration with government, publicity, and business. We have more than 7 people from different spheres to be sure that we are able to make it even after hackathon. Also, our benefits are direct work with artists, all needs in one place for them. We are very open for any kind of collaborations, and we have different flexibility in approaches for them and marketing strategies also with business. We also fight for very high quality of content on our site and also about our artists. And we already think about all possible further outcomes of this. So, thank you for your attention. See you soon.